I got her all together. Got her more or less running and driving. I still got to do some fine tuning to it. It's not too bad. I'm going to change the air filter out. I'm probably going to change the carburetor too. I don't care for this carburetor. I just threw that filter on there because I had it sitting there. I got the matching Mopar Performance one. I don't care for the Summit brand headers too much. They really do not fit. I had to tweak them a lot to make stuff fit. And the clearance against the curve, against the steering box is close. Of course, it's close on the starter like most of them. So it's very quiet right now. I'm using the exhaust stack exhaust that was on this thing, with it being a 318 car. So it's got 2.5 going back to mufflers, which go back to 2.25, and they're mandrel bent. Not mandrel bent, they're the rippled ones, so they're not the best ones. But money's tight with doing this project, so I'm just trying to keep it, you know, as it is. Save a couple bucks here and there for right now, running around this way, and I'll change them up later. So I got the, I still have the back seats to put back in it, and I gotta pull the driver's seat back out eventually. And I gotta move it over towards the door more because I can't move the seat all the ways up, so I'm hitting the shifter. So, but I gotta put all that back in there and, you know, go through. And I'm probably gonna try to make myself some seat covers if I can. These are all deteriorated, but I see how they make them, and I can use this as a pattern per se and make something close. So. It's all more or less together and running right now, driving. I've put 4.6 hours on it and 82 miles. So the odometer had 1 point something on it when I got it. Or no, you know, that guy, but it's got 4.6 miles on it. I got it all set up, I integrated the GM switch for the headlights in there. I got all my lights working. So, turn headlights on. Can't really see the lights in the day, but dimmer light works, all that. So, if I turn it off, I got an oil light right there. That's what I wired the hob switch up, so I can run the hour meter. Let's see here, sorry about that. Run the hour meter, and then when I turn it off, the oil light comes on, and hopefully it will start right back up. So then the oil pressure light there goes back off. So, but that way I can do my oil changes by hours instead of mileage. So, and now my fan just kicked on for the coolant. So, being I'm used to working on airplanes. I'm an aircraft mechanic, but doing that, I like doing stuff by hours. So what I'm going to do is I'm running brake and oil. I'm going to change the oil at 10 hours, and then after 10 hours, I'm going to run it probably another 20-25 hours, and I'll change it again. So it don't sound too bad though. Well, that's about the rundown on this thing. For all that are curious and like to see it, so I'll post up some more videos and stuff when I get some other stuff done to it. Thank you all for watching, and hopefully y'all have a good day.